We live in the glorious last days. God has asked us to join him in his work. Let's listen in to a personal revelation that he gave to Joseph Smith Sr., the prophet's father. D&C 4 begins with, "Now behold, a marvelous work is about to come forth among the children of men. Therefore, O ye." Now, at the time, that was speaking directly to Joseph Smith Sr., but we can apply this to ourselves. God is speaking to us, all of us, that embark in the service of God. See that ye serve him with all your heart, might, mind, and strength, that ye may stand blameless before God at the last day. I want to fast forward to verse 6. God tells Joseph Smith Sr., and by extension, all of us, key qualities of those who engage in the work of God. Remember faith, virtue, knowledge, temperance, patience, brotherly kindness, godliness, charity, humility, diligence. Now that's quite a list. I've written it out here on the board. And you might look at these and ask yourself, is there one of these that I could practice better today or this week? You might look at, is it faith? Can I show God that I believe his word? I believe in his son, Jesus Christ. Possibly it's virtue. Are my thoughts clean and pure? Is it knowledge? Am I seeking after sources of truth and not just rumors? There's a lot of misinformation in the world today. God is a God of truth and knowledge. Are we seeking after true knowledge from reputable sources? Temperance. Now, back in Joseph Smith's day, this meant not drinking. But we might ask ourselves, are we controlling our appetites and passions? Patience. Is there an opportunity to pray, to have God give you more capacity to endure the little challenges that happen every day in life that try our patience? Perhaps it's brotherly or sisterly kindness. Are we thinking good thoughts about others? Are we willing to be forgiving of others? There's always friction and rubbing points in life. That is just part of the design of life, that there is challenge and frustration, hurt and pain. Are we willing to be kind to those around us and maybe forgive those who have hurt us? Godliness. Again, are we willing to engage in the work of God to be more like him? Charity. It's a lovely one. And it's not just simply doing handouts, but are we willing to offer the love of God to others as he has freely given to us? Humility. Now, this one in our fallen natures, we struggle with this one. And I actually think it's interesting that the word humilis in Latin actually means dust. And God's asking us to remember that we're from the dust of the earth. We were built from the ground if we think about the Adam and Eve story. And finally, diligence. Are we willing every day to try yet again and to trust in God and his redeeming love, that as we attempt to live as he has asked us, he will give us the strength to do so? So this week, I invite you to consider this list and just choose one of these things and say, today, I will work to be better at this, or this week. And write that goal down and remind yourself during the day, this is something I'm striving to be better at. If you fail or fall, that's okay. Give yourself another shot. Remember how much God loves you, that we do live in the latter days, that God's work is rolling forth, and he invites you to participate, invites you to be part of this great and marvelous work, and you can do so by fulfilling and living these qualities.